गुजरात. Okay, okay. No, not from नीचे से नहीं, वो कह रहा. Right now, as there is so much of sunlight, so we thought of not going there, and sitting here for some time. Now we are moving towards that area because it's sunset time. So there sunset is taking place and people are sitting here in a row, right? And I'll show you the beach afterwards also. But just now, right now, let me show you like that. So let's go there. This is the way to go towards that side. You can see the sunset and there are two planes going side by side. Let me take you there. That's the Rainbow Bridge and the sunset is there. So now we are going to go towards the last. And there you can see the beach. People are enjoying their weekend time there. I find it very convenient to carry the bag with me always, because whatever is there we can keep inside it and we can roam around freely. And if you see here also, it's so clean here. It's not that some lace wrapper or kurkure wrapper, no biscuit wrapper, nothing is there. It's all clean. Because the citizens of Japan keep it clean. It's the responsibility of the citizens to keep the country clean. So if we in India also do it like that, then we also will have a clean country. Now we have reached till the last. So let me keep my bag. I want you to show the 360-degree view from there, maybe from the ball, and a 360-degree view. You can see that boat. So that boat is mainly for traveling. Like if you want to go from Odaiba to Asakusa, there is one place called Asakusa. If you want to go by that boat, you can go. That's a very unique boat. It looks like a spaceship. On the internet also, if you search, plane. There is one plane also there. So boat, plane, water, all in one frame. And sunset. If I show you what's there at the last of this area. So this is there. Like these are the kind of rocks that are there. So just to show you, I came here and then the area is like that. And there is the beach. Now we are planning to go to the beach. We are already at the beach. Now we are going to go there. Okay, so we have reached the beach and you can see people are sitting here chilling, and these are the things that are not allowed at the beach. No open flames, no swimming, dogs must be kept on leash, and playing sports on the beach without permission is prohibited. Let's go near and I'll show you how the water is at Odaiba beach. So you can see that people have brought their dogs as well, and there are many foreigners as well. See how they have dug it in. See the cute kids. So I am wearing shoes, so I am not going to go inside the water. Seema is also wearing shoes. So are you going to go inside the water? No. So it's a very clean beach, and see the cute kid. And you see the water. Water is also very clean. Actually, here I am seeing Indians, Bangladeshi, Nepali, and from other countries, America and all as well. So you can see this girl and all. They are from different countries. They are not from Japan. But I am showing you that how Japanese people enjoy at the beach. You can see this auntie is from, I think, India. I don't know, but no, I don't know the language. She's asking. Gujarat. Okay, okay. Auntie is from Gujarat. Okay. Okay. So she was from Gujarat. Seema asked her where you are from. So Gujarat. See this Japanese kid. What? See, jellyfish. I don't know if she's alive or not.
She died.
Ikiteru ka? Ikiteru? Honto? Shinde nai?
死んでない。
おーどうやってわかったおータッチしたら逃げない
逃げないよ。
お
下の方触ると
うん
刺される。
あ刺されるかそうそうそう上は大丈夫 ?OK You want touch?
I can
Touch 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 No 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 not from नीचे से नहीं वो कह रहा है ऊपर से वो कह रहा है काट लेगी नीचे से टच करो
繰り返してみて。
Jellyfish だね
上の方を持ってひっくり返すの。できるかな。怖いよ。うわ。
हेवी होती है ना वो उसको देख के लग रहा है वो दिखती बहुत स्लो है जरा सी
どうやってひっくり返すの。
それ生きてるんですかあ
ぬるぬるだけど。
今何しようとしてるんですかああそうですか
ひっくり返したいよ。
片手でさ、ペロンってひっくり
そうしましょうか OK やりましょう
持ち帰ってね。
食べ
you can see it's a Saturday and two students are also there and I don't know what she's trying to do she's trying to do some barbecue or what I don't know so in this video I am speaking less but I am showing you more because I want you to see more how this high profile area looks like. See, he's relaxing a lot that he slept here. There are a few Japanese girls and they're also clicking pictures. They will install when like the food stalls but not right now.
जैसे हनाबी वगैरह होता होगा ना यहाँ पे तो लगाते
See how what they have created here. So that's where the beach ends and now we are going to go some other place because we also thought of going back to Statue of Liberty, right?
Yes,
Because now
because the
it's-
night view will be good over there.
And just now Seema showed me one more thing that you can see the moon and the sun together. Like together means that's the sunset and that's the moon. A rare view to see. So there is one tree which is blinking, the lights are blinking on that tree, so I wanted to go through that way towards Statue of Liberty. So this is the tree, you can see the lights are blinking, it's looking beautiful. Seema is going to fill water, here you can fill water, but I want to see the lights as well, so you can see both the views, how you can fill water and the lights, they are not blinking, I don't know. It looks beautiful like that also. Well, eventually we ended up coming here because this is the way that we were going to take. So we came here. So I'll show you Statue of Liberty in the evening time. Right now it's 6:30. I don't know if it's the same size as New York, but it looks beautiful. It's the Rainbow Bridge, that's the Statue of Liberty, and here now we are going to go towards that mall. You can call it a mall, and look at the roads here. It's so clean. Let me show you from the middle. Very beautiful. Now let's go to that Aqua City, and there we are going to have something. Let's go. And from here also we can see Statue of Liberty. Aqua City Love, Odaiba. See. This is Aqua City. See. So they are selling dogs there. See different kinds of dogs. See one dog called Cafe Kind is there. So all the dogs are kept there. I'm going to show you after going inside. Somebody took away this one. मैं ऐसे कर रहा हूँ ना तो ये इसको प्यार आ रहा है. They are wearing diapers also. See, let me call him. हाँ बाय बाय. ये वो तो कर रहा है यार टच. This is the cap shop, so you can see all the caps. The name of this shop is Flower Hat. See, this is drone school Odaiba. They are flying drone inside, so they are teaching you how to fly a drone. Well, the price and all I am not going to inquire because it's a waste of time. Is the list of restaurants which are available at Aqua City, and many restaurants are there. And here I saw Indian restaurant Mumbai. So there is biryani, salad and raita. So just now we came out of this Aqua City mall Odaiba, and now let me show you the night view of this statue. See how beautiful it looks. And this is the Aqua City Odaiba. That is since we wanted to capture ourselves in the video with the Statue of Liberty. Now we are going towards this beach again and see the view. Odaiba Bridge. Just for showing this kind of view to you, I think you should press the like button and subscribe to the channel. See the bikes. I'd like to end the vlog here. We had a lot of fun. We enjoyed this area, Odaiba, and I'll see you in the next video. So Seema, you want to say bye to everyone? So she is like very tired, so she's saying that I am not able to come into the vlog.
Don't say this. Don't say this.
So I'll see you in the next vlog. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Subscribe to the channel and have fun. Bye bye.